Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be explaining you how you can create a client invoice in PromoXCRM. Now to create a client invoice, first of all you need to be on sales order. Then once you are on the sales order, go on All Actions button and click on Create Invoice. PromoXCRM will automatically copy all the details that you have filled in the sales order, and it will transfer it to the client invoice itself. Now first you need to fill out all the information over here. These are the headers and footer notes of your invoice. And if you scroll down below, there's your client invoice that you are going to send to the client. Now if you want to add any product and services like shipping charges, all you need to do is you need to click on Add Product and Services. Click on Shipping, and need to fill out all the information over here like this. Once all of the information over here is done, click on Save, and it will automatically save the details in Client Invoice. And to send the client invoice, scroll up. Click on All Action button, and click All Email Invoice. It will open up the email window. Fill out all the necessary information, and click on Send. This will send the client invoice to your client. Thank you so much.